Hi there, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Today I'm building the Matchbox Macchi 202 fighter in 1/72 scale, the 6th of the Matchbox Challenge kits sent to me by channel viewer Simon John. If you enjoy the show, then please remember to give it the Imperial thumbs up, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. It's free and a great way to show your support. Before I start on the build, let's have a quick look at the paints and products I've used in making it. Right, to put the two halves together in, first I'm going to put the seat in because that has to go in before anything else. I'll leave it up at an angle slightly because the other half is going to go on and the seat sits in a bracket on the other half as well. So you get the two halves sitting together, then push the seat so it sits in the other bracket too. Nice and central. And there we go. Tape this up and glue it up. And when everything is set, I'm going to pop the pilot figure in as well. Then the canopy goes on. Now what I'm going to do is just tack the canopy in a couple of spaces with some just a tiny bit of extra thin cement because the canopy's a really bad fit and I want to do some filling around it. So to do that, I just need to tack this in place really for the moment and not worry too much about anything else with it. There we go. So I've just tacked the cockpit in place there. I'll put some glue around the edge, some PVA around the edge and start filling in some of these gaps, but I think I'm going to have to do quite a bit of filling to get this looking right. There we go. So the wings are quite simple and each one comes in two halves. They join up like so they don't actually match up here because they go in different bits. At the top and the bottom are different bits, but they do match up here, so that's fine. Don't worry that they don't meet up here, just worry about this end. The base of the aircraft goes on here and you have to try and align it with the centre line as much as you can using these fillets for reference, and also the centre line here of this piece here lining up with where the join has been for the two halves of the fuselage, and just let that set for a while. Once the base unit part there is dry, we can put on the main wings. Now I'm working on 48 scale kit as well at the moment, and it's surprising how tiny these bits feel when you're used to something much larger scale. It's really amazing. Anyway, we'll just get these to set up as much as we can, as close as we can, and then do a little bit of filling when we need to. And we can also fit the ailerons as well whilst we're at it. The horizontal stabilizers, tiny teeny horizontal stabs, glued together in two halves like this. And we'll just put some glue in there and we will clamp them up. Then the elevator goes into the tailplane on each side. Okay, I can now put the rudder in here. And I'm going to fit the horizontal stabilizers with the tailplanes. Okay, well, I'll set those up properly. That's the fundamentals of the plane sorted out. So once these are all, I'll leave these to set up overnight. I'll do some filling tomorrow, and then I guess we can start looking at maybe doing some painting. Then I'm going to put this radiator cowl on, and the fuselage is pretty much ready for priming now. I've done the base of the camouflage with an Italian, what's it called, Gallo mimetic yellow camouflage colour. And I'm using this olive green AK pen to do the camouflage bits because it actually works really nicely, and it's a lot easier than trying to airbrush something like this. Now, with the camouflage painted and the decals put on, I'm just going to paint in these exhausts. I'm going to do them in gunmetal first, and then I'm going to put a rust powder on top that'll just dull them down enough to make them look like burnt metal. So when that has dried, we just brush some of this rust coloured dust on like that, and that looks okay. And then you can, if you want, just go over with a cotton bud and just take the excess off, maybe on the edges, and so you just get a bit more of that sheen back. You get a little bit of edging of the gunmetal, but still plenty of rust. And you can also then add, of course, black engine soot or dark brown engine soot if you want over the wing as well. The wheels, main wheels, go onto the undercarriage legs like so. Then the leg clips onto the inside of the undercarriage door like so. Do the same for the other side. Then the undercarriage leg, when it's complete, just slots into the wing like so. And then you can put the inner gear doors in as well. Then there's a bracing part that goes into a hole on the gear door, and then just slots into here to sit on this little cross piece here to hold the door open properly. And then the tail wheel just sits into its position here. Then we've got the propeller painted black just on the yellow tips, just with some AK pen. And then there's a white spinner that goes on top, like so. Then the propeller and spinner go on front of the engine like so. Then we just fit the pitot and the radio mast, and our little Macchi 202 is complete. There it is. What a charming aircraft. Pretty straightforward to build with very little filling needed, and paints up really nicely. It's what Matchbox kits are all about. If you enjoyed this build, then please remember, give it the imperial thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so very much for watching today. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.